All right, this next Delta Math video is writing recursive formula for a sequence. So whenever you're writing a recursive formula, you have to state the first term, and then you have to use that sort of subscript, this previous term notation, right? So stating the first term should be fairly simple. You're just looking at your sequence, grabbing the first number, typing it in, okay? And then the next part, you have to figure out, okay, is it geometric or arithmetic, right? So we have to figure out, what am I doing to 8 to get to negative 40? And it looks like we're multiplying by negative 5. So we'll type in negative 5 times a sub n minus 1. And we're doing the same thing to negative 40 to get 200. So that's it. That's our whole formula. Click submit, and yes. Cool. Let's see here. If we do another one, is that one geometric? That one's geometric as well. Let's find one that's arithmetic. That one looks like it's probably geometric too. Oh, here, this one looks like maybe it's arithmetic. Okay, so that means that we'd be adding between the terms. So same deal, type in your first term. And then it looks like we're adding 5 between the terms. So we're going to type in our a sub n plus 1 or minus 1, and then plus 5. Click submit. Yep. And we got it. Okay. And that's all there is to that.